Hey tech lovers, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. Today we have something special for all the gamers, the Ant Esports GM400W. Yes, an RGB wireless gaming mouse. It's a wireless, it's RGB, and it's here to level up your gaming experience. So without wasting time, let's jump straight into the unboxing. So here is our box. On the front you can see ANT Esports and the model name is GM400W RGB gaming mouse, and it is a 2.4 GHz wireless optical gaming mouse. You can see guys, it's multi backlit lighting. It consists of 3200 dpi optical sensor, and on the side you can see some features. It has 6 buttons, elegant look and durable switches, 3200 dpi sensor, type C port for charging, and on the back here you can see some product features. Yeah, so let's unbox it. So inside the box we get an elegant RGB lightning optical gaming mouse. As you can see guys, what a color, what a beautiful color of this mouse, very beautiful. And also we get this type C cable for charging this mouse, and some documentations, some warranty cards and manual. About its design and build quality, look at this design guys. It's very sleek, ergonomic and very lightweight, perfect for long gaming sessions. It comes with 6 programmable buttons: right click, left click, scroll wheel and DPI. And the side buttons you can see here, high precision optical sensors, and supports DPI level up to 3200 for those fast flick shots in games. It gives that complete gaming vibe to your setup, and it's very solid guys. The on off button, and we also got this USB dongle. So this USB nano receiver is stored right here inside the mouse. Easy to carry, easy to plug and play. So now let's connect to our laptop or PC. The connecting is super simple. Just plug this receiver and switched on the mouse. Yeah, and that's it, you're good to go. Now you can see my cursor is moving, and you can see guys, here I'm using my mouse. Let's scroll something. Yeah, look at the response time guys, it's moving very fast. As you can see, with zero lags thanks to its 2.4 GHz wireless connection. Whether it's casual gaming or intense FPS battles, the mouse performs very smoothly. And yeah, you can also change your DPI. Click on your DPI button and you can see you can instantly switch between different sensitivities. Super handy for gamers. It's very smooth. Look at the sensitivity of the DPI. Again, we will change it. Now let's see. Still also it's very fast. Moving very slow now because I have changed. And with on the fly DPI button, you can instantly switch between different sensitivities. Super handy for gamers. The design looks very premium, plus the build quality feels also premium, sturdy yet lightweight for comfort. So after testing, here's what I liked about this mouse is it is wireless freedom with 2.4 GHz and RGB lightning for gaming aesthetics, and also high DPI and responsive performance. And the one thing is it can only works with a receiver. It has no Bluetooth mode. And guys, about the RGB light is very dim. I didn't like this one because here you can see lights are not displaying very well, not showing very well. After switching off my lights also, you can see the RGB lightning is very dim. You can enable to see here. So these two things I didn't like, but for the price, this Ant Esports RGB gaming mouse is total value for money deal for gamers and even for regular users who want style plus performance. And has a 3 million clicks lifespan, stylish dual color designs, USB to type C charging cable, and has 6 buttons to 2.4 GHz wireless mouse, built-in 4000 mAh lithium batteries. Talking about its price, this mouse can become between 7 to 800. I definitely recommend this if you want an affordable wireless mouse with stylish and comfort for daily use. So you can go for this. If you enjoyed this unboxing and review, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TechnoWaves for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, guys.